Today I'm going to be airbrushing a plane on a shirt. It'll be a real quick video. Yeah, just let me know what you think. So most of the airbrushes that I do, I usually start off with a quick outline just to make sure I have everything centered. This was actually a Christmas gift, and this is actually the first shirt out of 2 shirts. She called me about 2 years after and had me airbrush another shirt similar to this one. You can visit me on my website, erniedesigns.com, and if you're interested, send me an email, ernie@graphicdesign-com. I'll see you in the next video.